Hi, Carl Ford here in Atlanta at WebRTC Conference and Expo number 4, and we're having fun talking to Kent Winter, who is the Vice President of Sales, yes, VP of Sales at Apex Communication. And you're servicing kind of the wireless world a lot more than I imagined. So talk to me about who your customers are.
Our customers are mobile network operators, MVNOs, and some vast service providers who are servicing as well the MNOs.
Okay, and you have a WebRTC implementation that works with your SIP implementation. What exactly are the services that you're helping them with?
Well, I mean, the two key services that we see at this point are our video conferencing and our hosted ACD solution.
Okay, so let's assume let's ignore the call center for a moment and stay on the video conferencing side. So you were mentioning the fact that one of the better things about WebRTC is the fact that you're kind of making it so a SIP endpoint doesn't have to exist?
Yeah, I mean, I think with video conferencing has evolved to the point where people are looking for an any device to any device video conferencing, and with that, you have to have a lot of times an application or something on that device. With WebRTC, it's in a browser and it's license free, so you don't need to have SIP phones on your employees' devices, on their iPad, on whatever. They can still use that with our solution, but they can also just call in with WebRTC.
Okay, and are there specific marketplaces that your mobile operators are in?
We're all over the world. We work with mobile operators here in the United States. I work with mobile operators in EMEA and Asia, and we're seeing traction in places like Africa in looking at how they can adopt these solutions, where they can use these solutions, and how they can better service their customers and service enterprise customers as a segment because they do not have the enterprise infrastructure that you might find here in the United States. You don't have a traditional PBX and so forth. So a lot of those services are being done on the mobile network itself, and we're helping to aid that with our solutions.
Okay, so now that we've kind of gotten virtual, let's go back to the ACD function. And specifically, is that for the carriers, or are you making it so the carriers enable enterprises and call centers?
Well, it could be for either. In some cases, we have carriers that use our solutions internally, but we're looking at to make the MNO a cloud, right? And that cloud solution can be for setting up call centers. So we have a multi-tenant solution, so the network operator can deploy for hundreds or thousands or however many enterprise companies they want to service with those ACDs.
So you're a virtualization service before virtualization comes of age.
Exactly.
Excellent. Ken, thank you so much.
Carl, thanks.